What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be, first of all, please disregard my wall. We're painting, so just bear with me, okay? But anyway, so today I'm going to be braiding my own hair. I'm going to be doing large box braids. I already pre-parted my hair, so since that takes like the longest to do, so I pre-parted my hair. This is what it looks like, and then I'm just going to be going in and taking out each section and then just braiding the hair into my hair. The number 2 3x free trees braid, 301. So it's already pre-plucked. It looks kind of long, but I like my braids long, so it is what it is. 3 come in the pack, and I bought 3 packs in total just in case, because I don't really want my braids to be too small. I have to go on record and say I am not a professional. I do not do this every day, boo. So just bear with me, all right? I'm learning like the rest of them, but I'm gonna try to do my own box braids. If this come out cute, I'm gonna be lit. What? All right. Okay, so to do this, I have my hair clip, I have my comb, and then I'm also going to be using the Blue Magic Originals castor oil grease to kind of just grease my scalp and keep all the hair in place. So that's what I'll be using. Let's do this. getting closer to the top, I'm actually going to use the rubber band method because I want the top to look a little more uniform. So I'll do that and then continue to braid. Okay, so now I'm gonna go and I'm gonna cut the stray hairs on each braid, and then I'm gonna dip my ends just to make sure I secure them, and then I'll be back to show you guys the finished product.